Namaskar everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the 13th verse of Patanjali Yoga Sutras, first chapter. And this verse says, Tatra Sthitau Yatno'bhyasaha. So Tatra, this verse basically consists of four keywords, four major keywords. We'll understand them. Like the first one is Tatra. Tatra here basically referring to the previous verse. What was that? Abhyasa vairagyabhyam tan nirodha. That means by attaining the Abhyasa and Vairagya, we can block the Chitta Vrittis. So it is referring to that previous verse, Tatra. Sthitau. Sthitau basically means to establish, to firmly fixed. To established or fixed, firmly fixed. Yatno means here referring the effort. And Abhyasa, nothing but the practice. So in this particular verse, Sage Patanjali is describing the meaning of the Abhyasa. Abhyasa means practice. So what is the meaning of the Abhyasa? So Abhyasa basically here meaning practice is the constant, or we can say steadfast effort to what? To establish oneself in the practices, in all these practices. So what are these practices? It can be concentration of mind, meditation, any yogic path like karma yoga, bhakti yoga, raj yoga, jnana yoga, or any sadhana, or we can say any form of hatha yoga. So these are the kind of practices we need to do. And what is the objective of doing all these practices? To still the fluctuation of mind. That means Chitta Vritti Nirodha, the ultimate objective of the yoga. Chitta Vritti Nirodha. So this is here says Patanjali is basically describing the meaning of the Abhyasa is that we need to do consistent or constant practice until it becomes a part of your personality. See here basically all these practices Sage Patanjali is describing for the sadhana, for the spiritual path of the life. Even if we try to understand if we try to implement this particular verse in our daily life also, if we really want to attain or achieve anything in our life, any goal in our life, we need to do practice about it. But here Sage Patanjali is specifically describing this Abhyasa, this consistent practice for concentration of mind, meditation. This is the part of the practice. Any yogic path and the sadhana. To attain what? See, the objective is, this is the objective. Objective what? To still or to block the chitta vrittis, the fluctuation of the mind. Hope you have understood this particular verse. In the next verse, we'll understand more about the Abhyasa. Thank you.